Hey everyone, Dave with Summit Racing, here again with you at the Summit Racing store in Talmadge, and I'm with Jeff from Brandmotion. He's here to talk about a couple products. First and foremost, the FreedomCharge, wireless charger for your phone. And Jeff, tell us a little bit about this product, how it came about, and just give us a little overview.
Yeah, sure. So, about 5 years ago, phone companies started putting wireless charging in their phones. Samsung, Nokia, HTC, a couple others. And then about 3-4 years ago, car companies started to put pads for wireless charging. GM's been doing that. Toyota's been doing that a fair amount. It's kind of quiet. People don't really know about it because we're all waiting for Apple to get on board. And Apple in November launched the iPhone 10, and then before that in September the iPhone 8. And they actually had built-in wireless charging, and believe it or not, they have the cheese standard that the car companies are following and the other phone companies are following. So it's exciting times. We've had this FreedomCharge solution. It's a pad you can put in your car. They're available for a couple of years. It's been a popular feature. No cords, no mess, clean. Just drop your phone, always getting charged. And now things are really going to take off with iPhone being part of coming to the party.
And like you say, no more forgetting to plug your phone in when you get in the car. If you're in a hurry, just come in and you plop the phone down, it charges, and you don't have to worry about it.
Yeah, people don't like the clutter in their car. They don't like to mess with cables while they're driving. It's not safe to be, going like this and plugging in and putting your knee on the wheel. So we find that it's just an awesome feature, and it puts the phone right where you can see it.
And as far as fitment goes, you're going to give us show us kind of how you can trim it and cut the fitment. There's certain applications that fits.
Yeah, so we've got a number of vehicle-specific fitments for cars that have like a tray where you already lay your phone, but now we can lay our solution in there and make it so it's actually charging when you drop your phone on it. We also have a universal kit that your customers, handy as they are, can cut to shape to fit anywhere they really want to put it in their car. And I really have a very cool new solution to show the first time anywhere on Summit at Summit Racing here. I want to show a new way to do it.
And that's the reason we're out in front of the store instead of inside this time. Jeff's going to give us a little demonstration on how the product works. So we're going to do that now.
All right, so let's see how this FreedomCharge wireless cell phone charging system actually works in the car. It's actually a fairly simple product. We've got our transmitting coil transmitting to the phone, and on back of the substrate, and then a little liner to hold your phone while it's in the car so it doesn't slip. And what we're really excited about is this new integration of FreedomCharge into the top of an armrest. You can just drop it in and actually have your phone charge while you're driving down the road. There are other solutions that are available. We mentioned the trays, specific solutions. There's solutions for if you want to conceal it. It's a very, very flexible solution that can be cut and fit in a lot of different places in different vehicles. But the operation is actually very simple. You can see this little blue light here. It's just kind of telling you that it's working and that it's in standby mode. But when you drop your phone, iPhone 8, drop your phone on it, it turns green, tell you it's charging, and it pops up with the wonderful charging symbol. So nice thing about the solution too is it works through cases. So if you have a case for your phone, which most people do, you can actually find it works just as well with or without a case. The other nice thing about the grippy rubber plastic surface is it's designed for an automotive application. It's not going to slip around, and it can even hold the phone extremely well. I'm almost at 90 degrees and it's still hanging on. So it's really going to stay. It's not going to fly off as you go around a corner. But there you are. It's really simple way to charge your phone and have your phone handy at all times. All right, so the universal kit, part number FDMC 1210, and of course it's available at summitracing.com.